Good afternoon, everyone. So I'm still in the Alps, and the place where I am, it's called Maggie's Alpen. I wonder if you can hear the bells ringing. Tuk, 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 tuk. It's cows. Cows have the necklace with the ring. So whenever they go, wherever they go, the farmers they can uh, notice where they are. And you can see the mountain on the top. There are still snow, and it's a really typical Swiss Alps view. And actually, I'm walking the child trail, but it's not that easy actually. Um, and it's a beautiful landscape, and along the way there are some challenges that you have to accomplish. So it's fun. All right, so I will keep going. I think I'm halfway to the village, so we'll see what happens along the way. With that, I wish you a wonderful Monday. Bye for now.